Hey, today we got something very special for you guys. That's my first time ever seeing them in hand, seeing a lot of pictures, seeing a lot of videos. So it's super dope to finally have these in hand, break them down for you guys, and see what you guys are feeling like. Do you think the resale gonna go crazy? Do you think it might die down a little bit? Because I know myself, I definitely want a pair for the collection. I wanna know how you guys feel about these. Is it high up there on your radar? Do you have to get them? Are you gonna pay resale for these bad boys? Let me know right now down below in the comment section. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping back into yet another video. We got some more sneakers to show you guys to fill y'all sneakerhead needs, you feel me? And shouts out to the homie Sneaker Fiends for supplying today's kicks. Once again, I'm gonna tag him down below. You guys can go shop with him. This is not my size. I wish it was. I probably would have purchased them from him, but he sent these over so I can break them down, show you guys what they're hitting for. So if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. Like I told you, you're gonna see a lot of white tees. You're gonna see a lot of different hats because your boy still hasn't got all of his stuff in the new crib, but it'll be here very shortly. You guys are gonna see one of these upcoming videos. Everything's gonna be put up, everything gonna be a vibe, and we really gonna be back in full effect, man. So real quick before we break these things down, everybody leave a huge like on today's video. We need to get back in the algorithm, man, and please drop some comments down below. All right, checking out the box, you guys see you got the Nike up top in that olive colorway, and you have the Nike olive all around the box branded. And then of course, official colorway is women's Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP, Sail University Red and Black. And these are a size 11.5. It's kind of bright. We're gonna turn the brightness down when we open up the sneakers. So let's go ahead and get right into it, man. And you see the box, man, you see the paper? Check out the tissue paper in that pink salmon-y, you know, colorway from Travis Scott. I like when they throw those different colors in there. And then we're gonna break these things down in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man, there you have it, the Air Jordan 1 Low olive Travis Scott's, man. I'm a little salty that I did not secure a pair because these things right here are very crispy, man. I like the details. We're gonna break them down. I'm gonna show y'all what these things is actually hitting for, bro. These things is tough, man. Let's go ahead and pull both of them out of the box real quick. Got some extra laces and stuff like that. I do like the presentation, you know, the pink little tissue paper, Travis Scott emojis, Cactus Jack going all the way around. But what y'all here for is these beauties right here, man. Oh my God, bro. You guys can see you got that Sail off-whitish hit on the midsole. Turn the brightness up just a tad bit. Like I said, man, that Sail off-white hit on the midsole. You got the huge red wings logo. Nice little hit because the whole color scheme of this is that olive you guys see on the Nike swoosh backwards. Hence, you know, the Travis Scott, what he did with the Jordan 1s. He started off with the mocha joints, and after the mocha pair, people went crazy over Travis Scott and Air Jordan 1 collaborations. And now we still getting multiple Travis Scotts after that. I think the last one was the reverse mochas that were released last year. And now we have the olive joints, which is a woman's exclusive, man. So this right here is something I would definitely pull the trigger on. I think the resale is right around $500 in my size. I do really like the colorway, so I don't go out there and spend a huge amount of money for just anything. But colorways like this that I know I can get some dope fits out of, I don't mind spending a little extra money on them if I really do like them, man. So you got the Cactus Jack on the insole right there. Got regular cardboard shoe tree. Thought they would do something special, but they didn't. And then on the insole, you got a couple different things, man. You got 2, 3 in there. You also got a Nike Air logo on the insole. And then on the tongue, you know, what Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 is known for. You get the little Cactus Jack logo on the tongue as well, man. I know on the first pair, you got the zipper on the tongue, I believe, or I think the zipper was actually on the side where the wings logo was. Thought that was pretty cool. But just know, like, Travis Scott does different things, abstract things, stuff that you don't usually see on a pair of Air Jordan 1s. You go see it on a pair of Travis Scotts. I really do like that about what they do with the collaboration, man. And checking out the inner of the sneaker, man, you got your Cactus Jack logo branded as well right there on the inner of the sneaker, just like on the tongue over here, man. So Cactus Jack branded everywhere, and they usually up. So right here on the left sneaker, you get the little Travis Scott emoji on the heel of your left Travis Scott olive Air Jordan 1s. And I thought that maybe this was like a regular Nike swoosh on the sneaker, but it's like more of like a nubuck suede swoosh. I don't know really what to call it. It's the same on the outer and on the inner of the sneaker, but some nice quality hits all the way around. You got your nice nubuck suede on the toe box as well in these, man. So the leather isn't too crazy. Like, the leather ain't like super tumbled or anything like that. It's a regular, you know, pretty generic Air Jordan 1 leather, nothing tumble like we used to get back in the day. And if I'm not mistaken, the Mocha pair that he first dropped had some crazy tumble leather all around the sneaker, but these right here, pretty standard if you ask me. Like I said, you do get some extra laces. You come with some green laces. It comes with some black laces, and it also comes with some red laces as well, with the white already equipped inside of these Travis Scott Olive Air Jordan 1 lows. I know usually they don't do extended sizes for Air Jordan 1s or women's exclusives in general, but they did do the extended sizes for these. Like I said, we do have an 11.5 in women, which is a size 10 in men. So if you're size 10, you know what I'm saying, you want to cop these things, go hit the homie Sneaker Fiends. I'm gonna link him down below, his IG and his website, so you guys could tap in, cop these bad boys. Because like I said, me, I'm super tempted to, you know what I'm saying, pull that trigger on the size 9 myself, because these things right here is fuego. Be sure to hit you guys with a lot of B-roll over these. I wish it was my size. Like I said, I would have did an on feet, throwing straight on feet for you guys, because these things is clean. Y'all might see an unboxing in a little bit, maybe in a couple weeks, of me having these, you know what I'm saying, because I really do like the olives. Probably not more than the reverse mochas, but it's definitely up there as far as Air Jordan 1 low colorways and Travis Scott collaboration. So yeah, let me know all your thoughts and opinions over the Travis Scott 1 low olives. This was a women's exclusive. I know a lot of people liked it, a lot of people was digging it. Of course, your boy took an L on the Nike sneakers app, but that's neither here nor there. If I want them, I'm gonna pull that trigger over on StockX and add them to the collection, man. So yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Please, if you guys enjoyed today's video, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. We got some more early looks coming, some more unboxings. I done copped a lot of sneakers while I was going, so you guys gonna see a lot of unboxings of me showing you guys what I've been picking up recently, man. Please leave a huge like on today's video. We gotta get back in the algorithm. And please drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 1 low Travis Scott olives, and let me know what you're looking forward to copping for the rest of your 2023. Again, man, I appreciate all the support. Love you guys. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.